Hey, what's going on everybody? Chandler here. I wanted to give you a quick walk around of the Macan 4 EV that we just got in here. So up front, we're gonna see first off, brand new headlight assembly. You kind of have a dual headlight on the top and on the bottom. This one's gonna be outfitted in gentian blue. If you'd like, come on around the side with me here. We're gonna have 22-inch silver wheels down low. A little bit of a windmill shape, so it adds to that electric side of things. Coming here to the inside, you can see that full black interior, new interior as well. Very similar shape to the Macan, just new body style. You know Porsche has subtle changes. And then of course back here on the back, you can see this new taillight design, new rear end, and your new diffuser down low. All right, everybody, now that we're done with the exterior tour, I just want to go over a couple quick stats with you. 402 horsepower with the overboost and launch control, as well as a 0 to 60 second time here in 4.9 seconds. Thank you so much again for watching today on the Macan EV. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks again.